Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Neha and welcome to another video. This video is not going to be any vlog or any other thing. This video is going to be for all the girls out here. This video I will be sharing my top favorite affordable lipsticks for teenagers, for college going girls. So yeah, if you are interested then please stick around and let's get started. So the first lipstick is this Mars Matte Mousse. This lipstick went viral in Instagram and YouTube and I got influenced and I bought it. Trust me, this is worth the hype. Very beautiful brown shade, and this is 03 Queen, very viral shade. This shade is always out of the stock, so make sure you grab it whenever it is in the stock, and it is affordable. It stays on your lips for like 4 to 5 hours. Of course it will not stay all day long, no, like 4 to 5 hours is enough for 250 rupees. Yeah, this is very good lipstick. I will link in the description all the lipsticks which I'm showing in this video. This is the first one, my top favorite currently. If you are like under like fair to medium undertone, then this shade will look beautiful on you. So the next lipstick is from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Hazelnut 203. This is a matte, not matte, like a bullet lipstick. This is also a very beautiful brown shade. This is also very affordable. This you will get around for 183 rupees only. But this will also stay for only 3 to 4 hours, not more than that. But it is very comfortable on your lips. It gives again a very nude brown color, which is very appropriate for everyday classes, college and all that stuff. Like personally I don't go for dark shades. I like only nude shades. So if you're like me, then you will like this particular lipstick. And yeah, this is also very affordable, perfect for college, everyday use. This one, I think this will work for fair to medium skin only. Yeah. So the next lipstick is this from Blue Heaven Intense Matte. This lipstick is just for 100 rupees. This is in the shade Chocolate Swirl 307. This says something like brown, एकदम chocolate brown जैसा यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, but it is like this color. You guys can see properly here, like pinkish brown, like not total chocolate brown but pinkish brown. So this is for 100 rupees. Again, this won't stay all day long, because 100 rupees mein you can't expect all day long lipstick. This will stay like around 2 hours max, 2 to 3 hours, and again you have to reapply. All the lipstick which I'm showing in this video, the day you're applying it, you have to carry that lipstick with you throughout the day, so that you can just touch up every single time you eat something or you drink something. So yeah, because we are in the affordable range, we don't expect long lasting lipsticks here. But yeah, this is very good lipstick for 100 rupees. You are having different shades. So yeah, I think I like this one for its price. You can go for it. So the next lipstick is from Zudio. How can I forget Zudio? If we are including affordable things, then Zudio should be included. This is Zudio's new launch I got recently. This is Drench Kiss Intense Cream Lipstick. This is a very creamy lipstick, and you get some shining particles, but this shining particles won't show when you're applying it. This just gives a little bit shine to your lips. This is the shade, very nude. This washes me off, but मैं इसके साथ कुछ dark lipstick pair कर लेती हूँ, then it will look good. And this also won't stay, especially because this is very creamy lipstick. Whenever you eat something, you drink something, this will go off. Again, you have to carry this with you whenever you apply it. This is for 199 rupees. Unfortunately, I can't provide link for this lipstick. You have to buy it offline only. So yeah, although Zudio is good at makeup and I like this lipstick, I will suggest to go for it, guys. The next lipstick is again from Zudio. This is Zudio's Tease Glam Tease Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Soft Mauve. कोई देख रहा है मुझे उधर से. I'm feeling nervous. Someone is looking at me outside. Let's ignore that. This is the Zudio's lipstick in the shade Soft Mauve. This is nude pink, like proper pink shade है ये. Like this is perfect for every day. I can apply this every day for college. मैं ये लगाती थी भी थी when I was in 12th. I used to apply this very beautiful pink shade. I don't require to pair this lipstick with any other lipstick. This just goes well for me. A pretty nude shade for everyday use. I will suggest you can go for it. If you like pink, then you go for it. Amazing lipstick. And look at the bullet. So nice. Red. I like this range of Zudio. The next lipstick is from LA18. How can we forget LA18 when we are talking about affordable lipsticks, right? This lipstick is again for 100 rupees. This is in the shade Rose Nude. I don't know how many times I have used this in my college, junior college, okay, 12th May. Amazing. Like this is again a pink but not too pink, brown but not too brown, if that makes sense. A beautiful shade. Again, this doesn't last all day long. 1 to 2 hour, 1 to 2 नहीं 1 to 2 hour only. But amazing shade. This is like wow, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये shade. And I have finished so much. इतना आता था, I have finished this much. Very beautiful shade. If you want on under 100 lipsticks, then you can go for this one. Very beautiful. If you have fair skin, then आपको थोड़ा डार्क जाता है ये, but I am like medium ish skin tone, then this is work as like nude lipstick for me. So yeah, very nice lipstick and I will suggest go for it. If you want affordable lipsticks, go for it. Don't look it, but ये आपको पूरा दिन साथ नहीं देगा. You have to carry it and apply it every single time you eat something, you drink something. Like touch up is mandatory for every lipstick here. Next lipstick is also from LA18. This is the one which I'm applying right now. Actually मुझे बोलने को नहीं आ रहा. इसके ऊपर मैंने gloss भी लगाया है, so it is looking pretty glossy now. So but originally I applied this lipstick. This is in the shade Nutty Latte. This is looking like chocolatey brown, but this is not chocolatey brown. This gives like this shade, a peachy shade for me. अगर if you are like fair, very fair, then it might look brown on you. Like lipsticks change depending on the skin tone, but again very beautiful lipstick. It doesn't feel heavy on your lips, but again not long lasting. Very good shade. If you pair it up with gloss like me, it will look good. The next lipstick is from Love Earth in the shade Espresso Martini. This is a very nude lipstick. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि आपने कुछ लगाया है. Very lightweight, long lasting. This is long lasting. I can say this is long lasting. 5 to 6 hours this will stay on your lips. Even if you eat something, drink something, 5 to 6 hours ये रह जाता है lips के ऊपर. Again, I used to apply this when I was in 12th and 11th. डोंट आस्क मी कि 11th एंड 12th में कौन लिपस्टिक्स लगाता था. मैं लगाती थी बिकॉज मुझे लिपस्टिक्स पसंद है. सो वेरी न्यूड शेड. अगेन आई विल रेट दिस सॉलिड 10 on 10 बिकॉज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लिपस्टिक एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ मिनी वन. इसका बड़ा वर्जन भी मिलता है शायद, आई डोंट नो. सो या, वेरी नाइस लिपस्टिक. यू कैन गो फॉर इट. लाइक वेरी न्यूड शेड. आई विल शो यू. You guys can see very nude shade है ये. So yeah. The next lipstick is also from Love Earth. Love Earth के मेरे पास बस 4 लिपस्टिक्स हैं, चारों दिखाऊंगी मैं. This is in the shade Citrus Cosmo. My most used shade in this Love Earth के lipsticks. So pretty shade. I will show you. This is like brick color but light, like brown but not too brown. Again, very my most favorite shade in Love Earth, and this is very long lasting. And अगर आप fair to medium skin tone के हो, this shade will look amazing on you. Just go for it. Try mini version first. If you like it, then go for big version. So yeah, amazing. I will swatch it now. You guys can see it. Next lipsticks are also from Love Earth only. These are in the shades Pink Colada. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And the next shade is Pink Lady. So Pink Lady is like, soft pink. Like, I'll show you. मेरे हाथ गंदा हो रहा है, but it's okay. Like this, it is soft pink. Whereas Pink Colada, I don't know. Pink Colada is little bit dark for me, I feel. दोनों ही सेम लग रहे हैं वैसे तो. Looking, if you look properly, this both are same. If you have only one shade in this both, it will work. So yeah, I think this is dark. Pink Colada is dark and Pink Lady is light. So whenever I feel too pinky, I go for these lipsticks. Very nice, again long lasting, as I said before. I will swatch them now. You guys can see it. Next lipstick is very famous, Maybelline. This is little bit of like not affordable, but कुछ लोग के लिए affordable है, कुछ लोग के लिए नहीं है. This is for 500 rupees. I think ये मैंने खुद नहीं खरीदा, ये मुझे मेरी बहन ने दिया था. This is in the shade 507 Almond Pink. Dark pink shade for me. Guys, I use this as a blush. ये मुझे लिप्स से ज़्यादा ब्लश के लिए बहुत काम आता है. Very beautiful pink shade again. एंड इसको आप ग्लॉस के साथ पेयर अप करोगे, अमेजिंग, इट विल लुक अमेजिंग. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर सम 500 रेंज लिपस्टिक्स, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस Maybelline. दिस इज़ इन द रेंज creamy mattes, of course, very famous. So now I will swatch this for you guys, and if you ask, it will stay, no, again 4 to 5 hours only, because creamy matte lipstick, no matter how much brand or how much price you are paying, creamy matte lipsticks won't stay long because they are creamy. The next lip gloss, okay, this is the only gloss I own. एक और है, दिखाऊंगी, but this is the gloss from Mars in the shade Noor. ये ग्लॉस मुझे वॉश ऑफ करता है. ये मुझे जेप्टो में किसी ऑफ़र में मिल गया था तो मैंने ले लिया. देन दिस वॉशेस मी ऑफ, बट ये if you are pairing with some lip liner and all, then this will look good. And the most interesting part of this lip gloss, this won't transfer and this will stay for 6 hours max. मैंने ये लगाया है बहुत बार. I can see but this washes me off. If you are like very fair, then this will look good on you. एंड इसको क्लोज करने में दिक्कत आती है थोड़ी, एप्लीकेटर, बट ओके, वेल एंड गुड. मार्स इज़ माई फेवरेट ब्रांड. वेल एंड गुड, this is in the shade Noor. I will swatch this. You guys can see how it will look on me. Last but not the least, very famous, very viral Mars Candelicious lip gloss. आपने बहुत सुना होगा इस lip gloss के बारे में. Overall Insta, YouTube, this is very famous lip gloss. I am in the shade Cherry Cola. Very beautiful brown shade, but also I am disappointed with this because इसका the packaging is not proper. ये leak होता है and it damages the other products. It leaks and it doesn't stay at all on your lips. It will stay like 30 minutes to 1 hour only. Look at this, very beautiful shade, but this does not stay on your lips. Again, you have to carry this with you all day long. And applicator में भी दिक्कत है. It just not applicator, sorry, the packaging, the product leaks most of the time. So yeah, but all in all, very nice gloss. But I think this is not too good, not too bad, mid range में आता है. So yeah, that I will swatch this now, and this is the last lip product. That's it for today's video, guys. And this week I tried something different, like regarding to lipsticks, beauty and all. Let me know how did you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed it, then please comment and let me know, and I'll see you next week with brand new video. Till then, take care and bye. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.